Local news for Wednesday the 19th of February. A program to wipe out pea weevil has achieved a world first, with Biosecurity Minister Damien O'Connor announcing the successful eradication of the noxious pests from Wairarapa. Commercial and home gardeners can now grow pea plants and use pea straw as garden bedding material. Wairarapa people have shown they're romantics, well, at least according to the figures released by Paymark. Spending in the region was up 100% compared to the Friday before Valentine's Day, and we rate as the 8th most romantic region in the country. Florists were busy but came second, believe it or not, as dining out and cafes and restaurant were the top option, with liquor in third. Webstar New Zealand is considering an option to optimise its New Zealand business by increasing its production capabilities in Auckland, while at the same time reducing printing capacity at its Masterton plant. If the proposal goes ahead, it could affect up to 44 jobs at its Masterton plant. And tonight is finals night for Wairarapa Touch Rugby. Clovers will take on BBM at 6 in the social mixed grade. Quickies play Feast Construction in the second grand final. And at 7:30, it's Quickies and Strength Nation and Coasties White playing 79s. Good luck to all those that are competing. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.